Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE brand microwave and it's giving you an F10 error and you're wondering what this error is and is there anything that you can do to get rid of it. Now first of all, if you're getting this error, you're going to have a touchscreen microwave. And the reason is because this error means that the microwave is sensing that there's a short circuit at the touchscreen. And so what you would need to do, but you should not do this without contacting GE first, is you're going to need to open behind the touchscreen and check and see if there is any loose disconnected wiring from the touchscreen to the control board. But before you do anything like that, that could void your warranty, take your time and everything like that, you want to just try to do a hard reset on your microwave. So you just want to unplug it from the wall and leave it unplugged for a full minute. And after that, you can plug it back in, and that should clear the error out, and hopefully it doesn't come back. And then if it does, then you can do the other things. But anyways, hope this helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.